Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. This is the last video for the Halloween season of this year. So I'm going to be making the earrings from this Haunted Moon earrings and pendant set. Let's get started. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin. You'll need some orange dye or mica powder. You'll need a mold with the moon. We're just going to use the moon. We're not going to use the stars. I'm going to use the center moon. You'll need a mixing bowl, mixing utensil. You need these cute little, well, there's little ghosts and bats and all kinds of little things in there for Halloween. You'll need 2 fishhook earrings, and you'll also need 2 jump rings. So let's see, we're going to use the middle moon. So to begin with, we're going to put some resin into the mixing bowl. It's going to take a little time. Towards the end of the bottle. And I'm going to put in 4 drops of the resin dye. I'd like it to be a little bit more transparent, so I suggest using the resin dye over the mica powder. You can use the mica powder also if you'd like, but you'd have to place these little things on the outside of the moon rather than just have it inside of the moon. Get rid of some of the bubbles. And then I'm pouring it in, just a thin layer. Make sure it goes to the edges. Like so. Make sure there's no bubbles. I see bubbles in there. I don't know. And then we'll cure this for 180 seconds. Okay, so now we're just going to add another thin layer. Just a small amount, and you can spread it around using your mixing tool. And then we're going to get some of these pieces here. And let's see what we have. We have a witch. We have some, so you're going to need double of everything because we're making earrings. Another witch. A bat. I don't think we're going to use the ghosts, but definitely the bats and the witch. Not sure how many we can get in there for each one, but we'll try 3. And then just place everything back in. And obviously there is so much, and there's so much potential for really cute Halloween items that save these for next year and come up with some new ideas. Or if you like, you know, just spiders, or wearing spiders or bats or whatever, you can incorporate those into your projects. Now this will take some time, so I'll just finish this up after I get these placed. So put my witch in there. We'll get her in the center there. Let's see if we can get, I think we can get 2 bats in. We can get a bat here maybe. Let me see a bat. I'm trying to think, see if there's something smaller. I can move her up. Get a witch, and we can get 2 bats in maybe. There we go. Oh, I don't want to stay. Like that. Well, that's kind of cool. Or we could put her down towards the bottom. We can move, let's see. We can move her down. Nah. Yeah, I think the way I had it was fine. So just get this bat again. It's kind of stuck to her now. Oh, there we go. Put the bat back down here. Put her there. And there we go. And then we're just going to pour another layer on top, which is basically going to fill it to the top of the mold. Now if things move around, just shift them a little before you cure it. We need a little more. Okay, there we go. Make sure you get it right to the edges. All right. Okay, so this one I'll just put over here. I'll put one of these little bats over here. Move these down. Oh, I had quite a few little bats there. And then we're going to cure this for 180 seconds. And I'm going to make sure there's no bubbles first, because I see a couple. And then we're going to cure this for 180 seconds. And I'll be right back. Alright, once that's done, you can take it out of the mold. And this is why I said to use the resin dye instead of the mica powder. Mica powder is opaque and this is transparent. So when you wear these, you can see through them, and you can also see them on the other side. Now, if you use the mica powder and that's all you have, what you can do is do a like the 2 thin layers, place these on top, you know, and cure them, and then use a clear layer for your final layer to fill up the mold, and then cure that, and that should show off these, but obviously on the other side it won't. So yeah, I recommend definitely using the orange resin dye. But didn't that come out really cute? But let's get started on the second one. And we have, I don't think we have enough resin, so I'm just going to add some more. And since we already had some that was mixed with the color, we want them to match. So I'm just going to do 2 drops, maybe 3. 3 came out, so 3 drops. Mix it up. Make sure you mix it really well. And definitely looks like it matches. And then I'm going to make sure some of the bubbles are out of there before we pour it. I'm going to do that first layer, the thin layer. And then we're going to cure that for 180 seconds. Okay, now we're going to do the second layer. And then we're going to place the witch. Want her up towards the top. Put the bats here. And then the other one, place down here. You can rearrange them. And try to, if you want them to match exactly, just, you know, see how you have it. Okay, that looks good. And pour on the final layer. Make sure there's no bubbles. And then cure this for 180 seconds. And I don't think I said this for the first one. Turn it over and cure it for 180 seconds on the back side so it ensures that it's cured all the way through. Alright, now that this one's cured, we can remove it from the mold. There's just a little teeny piece there that we can, it'll just come right off. Alright, so I had to find a larger, because these are a little bit thicker as you can see, so I had to find a larger jump ring, and these are, I believe, 10 millimeter. And you're going to need pliers for this, and your earrings, and I'm going to have them face inward, like towards my face. So I'm just going to open the jump ring to the side and then place it through the hole. Oops. And then place one of the earrings on there. Actually, let me see. Once you get the jump ring on, I want them to face like towards, because my hair is longer and full, and if you put the earring on like so and close it up, I'll just show you for example. You put the earring in, it's going to hang sideways, like towards, like against your face. Now that's an option if you want to wear it like that. I kind of want it to face forward. So to face forward, let me reopen this and then I'll show you what to do. you're going to gently turn this sideways so the loop is this way. So I want it to face my face. Like so. So then this will go back here. And you can see how the earring faces this way. So when I put it on my ear, this part will face against this will be against my face. Now you can do it the other way so that they hang outward, so that this back part is against your face, but if you want it to be seen either from either front or back, then you can do that little twist on these. And you're just going to basically, see how the loop is? You're just going to twist it slightly, and then now you can see how it lines up this way. And then you open up your jump ring. Okay, so we got one facing this way, and I want this one facing the opposite way. So place it on, and then close it up. So here I have my haunted earrings. It's a haunted moon for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my artwork, my jewelry, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.